I'm craving pasta tonight, but I have a taste for Asian flavor, so there's only one solution. Garlic noodles. A little bit of olive oil, minced garlic. Making the sauce, 1 stick of butter, and add back your minced garlic. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Whisk. Dash of sugar, and that's it. Sauce is done. Putting in the sauce. 1.5 cup of parm. And a little bit more garlic flavors, garlic powder. And there you have it. Buttery, delicious, perfectly balanced, savory, and sweet garlic Asian noodles. Time to get your slurp on.